So today, in Animal Crossing New Horizons, there is a bird passed out. Let's try to wake him up. Let's talk to him, see what he wants. Really have to bug him, until he stands up. Yay! He's finally standing up. Uh-oh, guys, he doesn't have his communicator. You know what that means. We have to find it. We don't dig up in the sand, we have to go swimming for it. Yay, we found it! So excited! I can't wait to tell the pirate that we found his communicator and now he can finally get off my beach. Yes, here is your communicator. Now will you get off my beach?